What's going on, guys? Dustin the Carver Hobby with our second of 4 breaks tonight. It's 2010 Topps Triple Threads Football to 3-box break. March 3rd, 2015. Doing a little throwback action tonight. Tonight and tomorrow, we got 3 more boxes running tomorrow night. If anybody's interested in, rolling them again, we're doing it tomorrow, so keep a lookout for that. Teams and owners go as follows. We got Christopher W. with the Jets and Redskins, Daniel with the Seahawks, DBA with the Eagles, James with the Broncos and Patriots, Jeff with the Bears, Joseph with the Colts and 49ers, Justin with the Falcons, Ravens, Panthers, Browns, and Chiefs, Mike L. with the Bills, Saints, Raiders, Steelers, and Titans, Patrick with the Jaguars, Rich with the Packers, Ryan with the Vikings, Sean with the Lions and Texans, Steve with the Cowboys, Dolphins, Chargers, Rams, Tim with the Cardinals, Troy with the Giants and Buccaneers, and waiting on a payment for the Bengals from one owner for the Bengals. We worked out something beforehand, so not a problem there. Here's our boxes, guys. We got 3 boxes tonight. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Sealed and ready to roll. 1, 2. These things have been sitting in saran wrap for 4.5 years now, 4 years. A little wrinkly, but, they're good. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Box number 1. Been a while since I've done this product, so we've had some monster breaks out of this stuff. Man, some monsters. Here's box 1, mini 1. I think the glue gets stronger over time. Oh, there we go. Good luck, everyone. We got Ocho Cinco out of 499 for the Bengals. Out of 299, D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Out of 1350, Dan Marino, Darrell Revis, Jets, and DeMarcus Ware, Cowboys. Hits. First hit goes to, let's see, a triple of Ben Tate, Montario Hardesty, and Anthony Dixon, number 436. 436. Let me check ownership on this bad boy real quick. Okay, we got Houston owned by Sean. Cleveland's owned by Justin, and San Francisco's owned by Joseph. So this is going to be random at the end of the break, guys. Hang around for the end. We're doing a random on that one. With mini 2, box 1. I'll be random off the end. So if you guys are in that, hang around till the end. We'll find out who won that one. Oh, snap. We got a book. Oh, it's sick. Oh, it's sweet. I hope there's an autos in there. I really hope there's an auto in there. All right, Darren McFadden out of 299 for Oakland. McFadden out of 299 for the Oakland Raiders. Here's our book. I really hope there's an auto in here. There should be. Seeing the other one didn't have one. Oh my god, that is so sick. Alright. Troy Aikman, Sam Bradford. Dual jersey auto book. Oh, that's nice. Number 4 of 10, or 8 of 10, Sam Bradford's jersey number. Actually, both are jersey numbers. Oh my goodness, this is nasty. 8 of 10. Patch there, all 3 colors on that one, and 3 colors in the middle on that one, 2 colors on the right on this one. Dual jersey number 8 of 10 book auto. That is gross. That is gross. That is nasty. My goodness. That's pretty cool. Sweet. All right, well, there's a start. Cubs box number 2. Told you, man, we pull some fire out of this stuff. I'm telling you guys. If you guys want to do it again tomorrow, we're running it tomorrow. We pull some fire out of this product, man. There's no lie. This product is very underrated, man. Very underrated. Oh, I forgot to check ownership on that card. I'll check it out with this after this box here. That card, I don't know who's on what on that one. Take a look and see. Goodness. Reinforced with steel here. All right. Here we go. Joseph Adai out of 499 for the Colts. Yeah, Steve, you just hit a monster. That Russell Wilson Letterman patch auto book the other night. That was nasty. All right, Joseph Adai out of 499. Put the camera down a little bit here. Get closer on these cards. Out of 499, Joseph Adai. Matt Forte out of 299, 80 of 299. Come on. All right, it's 80 out of 299. Out of 1350, we got Calvin Johnson, Steven Jackson, there we go, and Eric Dickerson, all of 1350. Our hit is an eagle. It goes to Mike Kafka, 6 of 9. Mike Kafka, 6 of 9 for the Eagles. Dallas, St. Louis. Oh, Steve, you got yeah, Steve, you won both teams on that book. You hit the San Francisco and Dallas, so we're not even gonna have to randomize that. You're on fire, man. Steve, you're on fire, brother. Here we go. We got Cobb out of 499. Philly. Camera's crooked or something. Table's not crooked. Schaub out of 99 for Houston. Larry Fitzgerald out of 1350. Frank Gore out of 1350. Andre Johnson out of 1350. And our hit goes to Javid Best, 31 of 99 for Detroit. 31 of 99 for the Detroit Lions. Javid Best. All right, guys. Third and final box. What's going on? There we go. Camera's just turning on me. Come back. There we go. I guess Boom is right, man. The box. Third and final box, guys. Good luck. We fit multiple books out of 3 boxes before, so it's possible. This one feels ultra thin. Another book. I thought, oh my gosh. Please let there be an auto in here. Please. Please let this be autographs. Oh my god. This is, I told you, book again. If this thing is an autograph book, oh my god. Oh, please be. $4.99 to Marcus Brown. I saw the players in it, and I'm really praying this is a big one here. Oh, okay. I'm going to peek first because I want to know. Oh, that's no auto. Nonetheless, Aaron Rodgers, Brett Favre, 3 of 27. Book. Lambeau leaders, Brett Favre, Aaron Rodgers. Green Bay goes to Rich P. He's a Rich P. Bringing it home. Told you, man, guys, this product is awesome. This product is really, really nice. We're doing it again tomorrow. Same time, same place. 3 of 27. It's not focusing there. Lambeau leaders Favre Rogers. $2 in this, man. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Last pack. So there's not a third book. Oh my gosh. So a nice hit. I got a peek. Out of $4.99, Cedric Benson. This is a good break here. Beanie Wells out of $2.99. Percy Harvin out of $13.50. Schaub out of $13.50. And Vincent Jackson out of $13.50. And congratulations to the Denver Broncos. You go with Demaryius Thomas, jersey auto, rookie, 30 of 70. Got a monster break tonight. Goodness. 30 of 70, Demaryius Thomas, rookie, jersey auto for Denver. Denver, that's going to James B with the Broncos. Here we go, guys. Let's go over these hits one more time. We thought that was a really good break for 3 boxes. If you guys didn't get anything, we did what we could here. Demaryius Thomas, as you saw, out of 70 for Denver. Javid Best out of 99 for Detroit. Mike Kafka out of 9 for the Eagles. This is going to be random off here in a second. Tate Hardesty Dixon. We got Brett Favre. Revoca, what's up? Aaron Rodgers, 3 of 27. Lambeau Leaders book. Lambeau Leaders book. And then this monster, 8 of 10. It's not being random. One owner on this. Troy Aikman, Sam Bradford, dual jersey number out of 10. Book auto. Aikman, Bradford. Filth. Filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Steve, if you want to buy me beer sometime, feel free to. I'm going to set up this random.org real quick, guys. If you ever my neck of the woods, Steve, you can buy me a beer. We'll call it even. I doubt you're ever going to be where I live, but nonetheless, if you are. All right, that's going to be between Texans, Browns, and 49ers. Hey, no one's ever told me that before, so you're good in my book. Here we go. Random.org. Put in the description, guys. It's 5 times. They're random.org 5 times. Texans on top. Browns second. 49ers are third. Try to get to focus here. There we go. Randomized 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, guys. 1. 49ers on top. 2. Texans on top. 3. Texans on top. Or Browns on top, excuse me. 4. Texans on top. Timestamp 44. Timestamp 45. Well, it just changed. It was right. 5th and final time, guys. Good luck. Texans. Go ahead, Texans. Houston Texans are taking that one home. Houston Texans taking this one home. There's our break, guys. If you have any questions, I'm going to hang around for about 2 minutes, and then Dugan 1640 is coming up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, thanks for breaking the cardboard hobby, guys. We appreciate your business. Have a great night, and see you guys soon. We're doing triple threads again tomorrow, if anybody's interested in that. You guys saw what can come out of this product, so I'll see some of you guys tomorrow. If not, thanks again.